Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today, I'm gonna show you how to make キャベツと厚揚げの肉味噌炒め。It's cabbage, deep fried tofu, and pork stir fry. Very rich, nutritious, and filling dish. You just need to put the ingredients one by one and stir fry, so it's super simple and easy. At the end of the video, I will show you how I build a menu with the dish, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. 200 grams of ground pork, 2 atsuage deep fried tofu, 1/4 of cabbage, 2 tablespoons each of miso, mirin and sake, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 1 teaspoon each of soy sauce, garlic paste, and doubanjian hot bean paste. As always, let's do all the cutting first. So cabbage. Remove the core. And let's just cut it into bite-sized pieces. Atsuage deep fried tofu. Cut into half long way. 2 of them together. Then into 6 slices. Now, let's make the seasoning mixture. You just need to put all these seasoning in one bowl and mix. Miso, mirin, sake, sugar, soy sauce, spicy paste and garlic paste. Give it a mix to dissolve the miso. Heat a frying pan over medium-high heat and let's cook the pork first. You don't need any oil. When it's browned, almost crispy, add cabbage. Keep cooking until the cabbage is wilted. Then, atsuage deep fried tofu. Give it a mix. And the seasoning mixture. Mix it one last time before you add it. Keep cooking for another 1 to 2 minutes. to the heat and it's done. Let's serve on the plate here. And キャベツと厚揚げの肉味噌炒め is ready to go. Time for the tasting. Iただきます。It's so porky and rich, but the tofu makes the whole dish kind of light and it's so good. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. キャベツと厚揚げの肉味噌炒め is the main, so it goes here. Plain rice here and spinach miso soup or any soup you like here. The main is rich, so let's have something light for the side dishes. How about もやしとわかめのサラダ for one of them, and some sort of pickles, either store-bought or homemade for the other one. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!